In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Microsoft Teams to Excel, a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your collaboration and productivity. To start, you'll want to open Microsoft Teams. You can do this by launching the Teams desktop application or accessing Teams via the web. Once you have Teams open, make sure to sign in using your Microsoft 365 account. This step is crucial as it will allow you to access all the features and integrations that Microsoft 365 offers. After you've successfully logged in, navigate to the team or channel where you'd like to use Excel. This selection is essential because it ensures that the Excel file you work with will be accessible to the appropriate group of your colleagues, keeping your collaboration efficient and organized. Next, you'll want to add or upload an Excel file, and there are a few ways to do this. Once you're in the channel, click on the Files tab. Here, you have two main options. You can upload an existing Excel file from either your computer or OneDrive. To do this, simply select the Upload option and browse for your file. Alternatively, if you need to create a new file, select New, and then choose Excel Workbook. This will create a fresh, blank Excel document directly within Teams, which can be very handy for starting new projects. With your Excel file now in Teams, it's time to open it. Click on the file, and it will open directly within the Teams interface. This is convenient for quick viewing and minor edits. However, if you find yourself needing the full range of features that Excel offers, you might choose to open the file in the desktop application instead. Simply select Open in Desktop app from the options listed, and it will launch Excel on your computer, providing you with the complete set of tools available in the application. Throughout this process, you may find new ways to streamline your work with these integrations, making collaboration more fluid and seamless. Remember, using Teams with Excel can facilitate better communication and efficiency, especially for teams working remotely or on large projects with multiple stakeholders. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to connect Microsoft Teams with Excel. Whether you're uploading existing documents or creating new ones, you now have the tools to keep your team synchronized and your data readily accessible. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you get the most out of Microsoft Teams and Excel. Remember to subscribe